Hi students, how are you all? I hope all are you fine. Now today we will start with exercise 3.2. The question I am reading, please see carefully and read it properly. The scores in mathematical test out of 25 marks. There is a test occurred in a class which is having out of 25 total marks test of 15 students is as follow. 15 students has given the test and then their marks out of 25 what which they get is 19, 25, 23, 29, 20, 15, 10, 5, 16, 25, 20, 24, 12 and 20. These are the 15 students marks out of 25 which they given the test of mathematical test in a class. Now a question is asking here is find the mode and median of this data. Are they same? Means first of all you have to find the mode, then median, and you have to observe that is the mode and median are same in both the circumstances. So we will start with the mode. For mode, arrange the marks. Always remember that for mode you have to first of all observe observation which has been given in a form of data. You have to arrange them in ascending or in a descending order, both the way, any way you can do it. I prefer to arrange them always in ascending order. So I will arrange from the smallest number is 5, then 9, then I will take 10, then after that 12, 15, 16, 19, 20, 20, 20 occurring 4 times, 1, 2, 3 and 4, then 23, 24 and 25 is twice, 25, 1, 2. So according to that I will arrange in ascending order. I have already arranged. Now first of all find the mode. Mode is equal to observation occur highest number of time. Mode is that number in out of that the observation which is given on a form of data, the observation which has been occurring maximum time. So here you can see the maximum time number occur is 20, that is 1, 2, 3, 4 time, and 25 is 2 time. Other numbers are single 1 times they are having. So maximum time occurring number is 20. The mode of this observation should be 20. Now second question, median formula. You know that median is equal to mid value. We can say a mid number or a mid value number which is having. So here there are total 15 students. So 7 students we will count from left hand side and 7 from right hand side. So middle number which we get, that is a median. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we will reach up to 19. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We reach to this 20. So the number remaining here between 7 this side, 7, 14, and the 15th number, that is a middle number, 8 is 20. So the median is 20. So next question, according to this they are asked is, are they same, mode and median? So we will see that mode is 20 and median is also 20. Yes, we will write yes, mode and median are same here. So we observe that the mode and median are same here. Now we will move to question number 4 in exercise 3.2. Find the mode and median of the data. Data is given 13, 16, 12, 14, 19, 12, 14, 13 and 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Total 9 observation data has been given and you have to find the mode and the median of this data. Mode and median of this data. So arranging, first of all we will arrange them in ascending order. So after arranging we will get like this: 12, 12 2 times, 13, 13 2 times, 14, 14, 14 3 times, 16 and 19. This is the ascending order observation we have arranged. First of all find the mode. Mode is the highest occurring number. 12 occurs 2 times, 13 occurs 2 times, 14 occurs 3 times, 16 and 19 occurs 1 time. The maximum time number is occurring is 14. The mode of this data is 14 we have got. Next is median. Median is the mid value. This total number is 9. So we will move from 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and the middle value which we get is 14. So median is also 14 here. So same way we have got the mode and the median through their formulas. Hello student, in exercise 3.2, then question number 5 we are having true or false. Question is true or false. We have to find the it is a question is solved by solving that. The first question, the mode is always one of the number in a data. So one by one we will move. Mode is always one of the number in a data. Whichever the number is given on a question observation data, the mode is one of them. Yes, answer is yes. It is true. This statement is true because mode is out of the number which was given in question. Second, the mean is one of the number in a data. It is not compulsory because mean it can be anything, and they have told that mean is one of the number in a data which was given. No, not compulsory. It is false. So second one is false. Third, the median is always one of the number in a data. Median is there in one of the data. Yes, median is the value which is there in a question given. So yes, it is true. This is third number is true. Fourth, the data 6, 4, 3, 8, 9, 12, 13, 9 has mean 9. We have given the mean of this data already. The mean is 9 they have given. We have to find out. First, for that we have to solve this number to find the mean, sum of the observation upon total number of observation. The sum of the observation, for that we will add this all number 6 plus 4 plus 3 plus 8 plus 9 plus 12 plus 13 plus 9 divided by 8 numbers 8. So I got 64 upon 8, that is 8 8 the 64. The mean of this number is 8, but here they have given the mean is 9, so this is also false. So it is a false. So by this we have completed exercise.